Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you check PayPal balance. In order to check the PayPal balance, you need to follow these steps. First of all, I'm going to use the browser version. You could use an app itself as well. So I'm going to type in paypal.com and log into my account. Since I've already installed the app, so I'll be going on with the PayPal app itself. So now I have to go ahead and verify my identity. Once I'm logged into my account, the interface will look something like this. So once I'm logged into my account, the interface will look something like this. Now tap on the menu bar, and when you go to your wallet, you could find the balance right on this page. Or else, what you could also do is at the home page, you could see your balance right on top. And this way, you'll be able to see your PayPal statement, or this way, you'll be able to see your PayPal balance on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.